Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Today in this video we will complete our workbook from page number 24 to 27. So first I want all of you to pause this video, go and bring your workbook, pencil and eraser. Okay, bring your volume 1 workbook. After you have brought your books, pencil and eraser, now you can resume your video. So first on page number 24 we have pick any 5 words beginning with letters A, B, C, D, E from the lesson. Look for the meaning of these words in the dictionary. Note down the words and their meanings in the given space. Means you have to pick any 5 words starting with A. आपके लेसन में कोई भी वर्ड जो A से स्टार्ट हो रहा, B से स्टार्ट हो रहा, C से स्टार्ट हो रहा, D और E से स्टार्ट होने वाले 1 वर्ड्स लेना है और उसके मीनिंग्स डिक्शनरी में देखना है. What is a dictionary? Do you know? Dictionary is a book in which you can find all the meanings. एक ऐसी बुक जिसमें हर वर्ड का मीनिंग रहता है, that is called dictionary. Dictionary can be of many types. It can be English to English dictionary, English to Hindi dictionary, English to Telugu dictionary or English to Urdu dictionary. Means if you want to find out the meaning of something in English only, अगर कोई वर्ड का मीनिंग आपको इंग्लिश में मालूम करना है, यू कैन सर्च इन इंग्लिश टू इंग्लिश डिक्शनरी. अगर कोई इंग्लिश वर्ड है और आपको उसका मीनिंग नहीं मालूम है, हिंदी में मालूम करना है, तो देन यू कैन सर्च दैट फॉर इन इंग्लिश टू हिंदी डिक्शनरी. Okay, and it is very good habit to have a dictionary with you, and whenever there is difficult word in your books you can see the dictionary, and in the dictionary you can see how it is pronounced also. You can see the pronunciation also. So from the books you have to select any 5 words starting with A, B, C, D and E and write those words and find out the meaning from the dictionary. Here I have taken 5 words. If you want you can write that words only, or else you can find new words and search for the meaning in the dictionary. Let's see what I have written. First, starting with A, I have taken alone. Alone means having no one else present. Means अकेले, कोई भी साथ में नहीं है. Before, in front of something. I think you already know what is the meaning of before, as we have already studied in math. Before numbers, after numbers. Before means पहले. Chew. Chew means biting. When you eat your food, you take a small bite and chew it so that we can swallow it. Next is dishes. Dishes means you can also say bowl जिसमें आप खाना निकालते, और the food served. For example, क्या dish बनाया आज? What is the dish prepared today? What is the sweet dish you have prepared today? Means खाने के नाम को जो भी सर्व करने के लिए जो पकाते, that is called a dish. Next is excuse me. Excuse me, you have already seen when do we use excuse me? When we want to seek attention. It is a polite way to seek attention. If you want you can write these words only, or else you can write new words and find the meanings from the dictionary. Okay, next Roman is use these words to make simple sentences. You have to use these words and write a sentence. What are the words? Sorry, thank you, welcome, excuse and pardon. All these are magical words. So I have made some simple sentences. First is sorry. I am sorry. Thank you. Thank you for your help. Welcome. Welcome to my birthday party. Excuse. Can you excuse me? Pardon. Pardon me for the mistake. Pardon means maaf karo. Here you can see I have put a question mark for excuse me because I am asking a question. एक क्वेश्चन पूछ रही हूँ मैं, तो I am putting a question mark. Can you excuse me? All the others are sentences, plain sentences, so I am putting a full stop. And whenever you are writing a sentence, we should start with a capital letter and end with a full stop. Okay, next page is page number 25. Here you have 5 question answers. You have to answer them. What is the first question? What should you do before starting to eat? खाने से पहले क्या करना है? तो what is the answer? I should wash my hands before eating. First letter should be capital, and after you have finished writing, put a full stop. Next question. What are the 3 magical words? You have to write the 3 magical words. What are those? Please, thank you and sorry. Next question. What should you do when you are alone at home and you have an unknown visitor? अगर आप घर में अकेले हैं और नहीं मालूम से कोई विजिटर आके है, स्ट्रेंजर आके है, तो what you will do? Answer is, I should not open the door for an unknown visitor and ask them to come later. Next question is, write at least 3 good manners you should follow at school. So we can write any 3 good manners. I have written 3. You can write same also, or else if you want you can change the and write of your own. First, what I have written, take permission when leaving and entering the classroom. Classroom से बाहर निकलने और enter होने के लिए we should take permission of the teacher. Next is wish and respect the staff. पूरे staff की respect करना और उन लोगों को wish करना. Next, take turns to talk. So whenever madam is asking something, we should not give group answers. We should take turns to talk. Next question. How should you speak to everyone? Answer is, I should speak politely to everyone. Understood? Now next Roman. Next Roman is fill in the blanks. Dash your hands before and after eating. So answer is, wash your hands before and after eating. Hold the fork in the dash hand and spoon in the dash hand. तो fork कौन से hand में पकड़ना रहता? Left hand में, and spoon in the right hand. Dash to God before eating and dash mom after eating. So before eating what we have to do? We have to pray. And after eating what we have to do? We have to thank mom and Allah also. So pray to God before eating and thank mom after eating. Next one. When you hurt someone, say dash. So what is the magic word you use when you hurt someone? We say sorry. Fifth one. Take dash when you leave and enter the classroom. So we should take permission when you leave and enter the classroom. Now next page is page number 26. Observe the pictures and tick the good manners and cross the bad manners. You have to observe the pictures, and which are good manners we have to tick it, and which are bad manners we have to cross it out. Okay, let's see what is the first picture. Eating your food, and is it a good manner or a bad manner? And how he is eating? He is taking small bites. थोड़ा थोड़ा खा रहे. So is it a good manner or bad manner? It is good manner. So we have to put a right there. Okay. Next. When there is food in front of you, you should not keep your fingers in your mouth. मुंह में उंगली रख के नहीं बैठना. You should eat your food. So it is a good manner or bad manners? Bad manners. So you have to put a cross mark there. Next is spilling the food while eating. खाना खाने के टाइम पूरा नीचे गिराना. Is it a good manner or bad manners? Bad manners. So we have to put a cross there. Next is asking others to pass the dish. Is it a good manner or bad manner? It is a good manner. So we have to put a right there. Next, you only are leaning on the table and trying to take the dish. Is it a good manner or bad manners? If it is in front of you, you can take. But if it is far away, you should ask others to pass it. Okay, this is a bad manners. So put a cross there. Next is, we should not watch TV while eating. Here the TV is switched off. So is it a good manner or bad manners? Good manners. So we have to put a right here. Next, what is this boy doing? He is watching the TV and having his food. So it is not a good manners. So we have to put a cross there. Next is washing. Washing your hands before and after eating food. Is it a good manners or bad manners? Good manners. So put a right there. Okay, now see the next page. Here you have to write true and false. If the statement is true, statement अगर correct है तो you should write true. अगर statement wrong है तो we should write false. We should not wash hands before eating. खाना खाने से पहले हाथ नहीं धोना. Is it a true statement or a false statement? It is false. Second is, we should take small bites while eating. खाने के टाइम पे छोटे छोटे थोड़ा थोड़ा खाना. Is it a good manner? Is it right? Yes, it is right. So we have to write true. It is a good habit to play with your food. खाने के साथ खेलना good habit है बोल रहा हूँ. Is it true or false? It is false. Next, fourth statement is, we should not thank mom after eating food. खाना खाने के बाद अम्मी का शुक्रिया अदा नहीं करना. Is it true or false? It is false. Next, fifth statement, we should not talk when our mouth is full. जब अपने मुंह में खाना है, we should not talk. तो is it true or false? It is true. We should not be on time to school. स्कूल को टाइम से नहीं जाना बोल रहा हूँ. Is it true or false? It is false. We should listen patiently first and then talk. We should listen patiently first. पहले खामोशी से सुन लेना, उसके बाद बात करना. Is it correct or wrong? It is correct. So we have to write true. Next is, we shouldn't speak politely to everyone. सबसे politely नहीं बात करना बोल रहा हूँ. Is it true or false? It is false. So write there false. Okay. Next Roman. Next Roman is, some table manners are listed below. Put the first missing letter of each sentence in the box provided. Write down all the missing letters in the same order to make a phrase and say what it is. तो table manners है कुछ. We have to write, some words are missing there. We have to write that word and जो भी word लिख रहे वो पूरे फिर यहाँ पे line से लिख के देखना है. It will make a phrase. What phrase is that? We will see. First is, sit up straight at the table. Write S there. Next is, always put your napkin in your lap. A. Write A in the second one. In third one, you may eat when everyone has been served. सबको खाना देने, सब खाना लेने के बाद प्लेट में फिर खाना शुरू करना. फर्स्ट अपन दाल लेके खाना शुरू नहीं कर लेना. It is not a good manners. Next is, please don't talk with your mouth full. Fourth one is, please don't talk with your mouth full. Write P there. Next is, lean towards your place when taking a bite. Lean means झुकना. खाने के टाइम पे अपनी प्लेट की तरफ झुकना अपन. Next is, eat small bites and swallow before taking another. छोटे छोटे निवाले लेना और दूसरा निवाला लेने से पहले मुंह में जो है वो फिनिश कर लेना. Next, always chew with your mouth closed. Write A there. Next is, serve others before you serve yourself. फर्स्ट अपन दाल लेने से पहले दूसरों को सर्व करने की कोशिश करना. नेक्स्ट इज, एक्सक्यूज योर सेल्फ बिफोर लीविंग द टेबल. टेबल लीव, अगर खाने पे से उठना है तो एक्सक्यूज करके उठना वहाँ से. अपना खाना होते कि उठ जाना नहीं डायरेक्ट. दूसरों को बोल के उठना, आई हैव फिनिश्ड ईटिंग बोल के, दुआ पढ़ के उठना. ओके, तो हैव यू रिटन? नाउ लेट्स सी what word it will make. So if I write all those words, SAYPLEASE, it will become say please. Okay, understood everyone? Now complete your workbook and send me the pictures. Thank you.